The foundation laying ceremony of the Ram Temple is less than a day away. And I have with me today Jafaryab Jilani, convener of the Babri Masjid Action Committee. He's also secretary of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. जिलानी साहब, अयोध्या में राम मंदिर निर्माण का शुरुआत का वक्त नजदीक आ गया है। 5 अगस्त के भूमि पूजन पर आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है?
देखिए, हम तो आज भी इसी स्टैंड के हैं कि जो मूवमेंट चलाया गया था वो ये कहकर चलाया गया था कि रामचंद्र जी की वो जन्म स्थान है, जन्मभूमि है, और वहाँ पर पहले कभी राम जन्मभूमि टेम्पल था जिसको गिराकर बाबर के ज़माने में मस्जिद बनाई गई, इसलिए उसको राम जन्मभूमि को मंदिर को दोबारा बनना चाहिए। ये थ्योरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट से डिमोलिश हो गई। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फाइंडिंग दे दी कि 12वीं सदी के बाद वहाँ पर कोई मंदिर होने का कोई प्रूफ नहीं मिलता है आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस से और किसी और एविडेंस से। लिहाजा ये कहना कि 1528 में कोई मंदिर वहाँ था, उसको तोड़कर मस्जिद बनाई गई, ये इसका कोई फाउंडेशन नहीं है। तो इस फाइंडिंग के बाद अब ये थ्योरी तो ख़त्म हो गई कि वहाँ पर कोई राम जन्मभूमि थी। अब वहाँ पर राम जन्मभूमि बगल में मंदिर था, जन्म स्थान मंदिर, उसकी एविडेंस भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कंसीडर की, लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस ग्राउंड पर कि यहाँ पर भी लोग अंदर जाया करते थे जॉइंटली, 100-150 साल के मुद्दत से यह आस्था साबित होती है, और वो आस्था ज़्यादा पीरियड की है बमुकाबले मुसलमानों के, जबकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये देखना भूल गया कि मुसलमानों का कब्जा तो 1528 से साबित था। 1528 से और 1800 तक उस कब्जे में दखल अंदाजी की कोई एविडेंस नहीं थी। लेकिन बहरहाल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किसी भी ग्राउंड पर जब ये फैसला कर दिया कि हम उस जगह को हिंदुओं को देते हैं मंदिर बनाने के लिए, उस प्लेंटिफ नंबर 1 ऑफ सूट नंबर 5 जो इलीगली प्लेस्ड आइडल है, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अपने फैसले के मुताबिक उसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दे दिया। तो अब हमारे पास एक रिव्यू का चारा था, हमने रिव्यू फाइल किया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमें सुनवाई का मौका भी नहीं दिया और खारिज कर दिया। अब इसके बाद हमारे पास कोई लीगल रेमेडी संविधान में नहीं है, इसलिए हम खामोश हैं। तो अब उसके लिए वो जो चाहे करे, हमारे तो ये फीलिंग्स हैं जो रहेंगी।
भूमि पूजन सेरेमनी के थोड़े पहले अयोध्या डीएम has handed over a 5-acre land mandated by the Supreme Court again in lieu of Babri Masjid to the Sunni Waqf Board on Saturday. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
That is in violation of the Supreme Court judgment. Supreme Court had clearly observed in 1994 that this act, Ayodhya Acquisition Act, was passed for 5 objectives, which is mentioned in the statement of objects and reasons of the act. And Supreme Court had discussed it, that objectives are mosque, temple, library, museum and amenities. Therefore, that judgment is still binding, and this judgment, 19 judgment, is also does not go against that judgment. It also said that this 5-acre land should be provided in the acquired land, and if not possible, then in the prominent area of Ayodhya. Ayodhya at that time was a town, it was not the district. Therefore, it is totally against that judgment. It is not at all against that, in accordance with that judgment, that giving land 22 kilometers away. Therefore, I can only say that it is in violation of Supreme Court judgment. So I cannot recognize it as a giving of land at all in compliance with Supreme Court judgment.
Yes, but then there is the legal recourse. आपके पास legal recourse नहीं है क्या? Can't you go to the Supreme Court and say that this is not in accordance with the judgment? Are you planning to do that?
See, because I have already said that no land can be offered in lieu of Babri Masjid. This was our stand against the judgment right on to 15th of November 2019. So yes, when we have said so, then some other Muslim may go, but we cannot say that give us the land in lieu of Babri Masjid. We have not stopped anybody, but since the corona was going on, I don't know whether some Muslims have gone or not, but they may go.
But the Sunni, the Sunni Waqf Board has accepted that land. Trust भी एक form हो रहा है, जी.
I have come to know that but I cannot make any comment upon their acceptance or non-acceptance. I am talking of Supreme Court judgment only.
Right. So you are saying that there was a plan to take a legal recourse to that, but you are not aware that whether a legal recourse to that has been taken or not.
I am simply saying that some other Muslim, some persons who have not so far said that he is not going to accept the land, may or may not go. Somebody were thinking to go. I have come to know, and I still
Okay.
know that they were planning to go. I don't know whether they have filed or they are waiting proper time to file the same.
They're two separate issues because as far as I mean, as far as this interview is concerned, you have said that, and you've said this previously also, that you have accepted the Supreme Court judgment that the land has been handed over to the Hindu parties. Now, going forward, what do you think should be the way forward for the construction of the Ram temple? Obviously, will begin very very shortly now. What do you think is the mood as far as, because we are seeing that there are many Muslim parties who are also coming, who would party to the entire legislation. They're going to be part of the entire ceremony, and they're going to sort of celebrate with the Prime Minister and other people who are coming for the foundation laying ceremony and in building of this and in the the Bhumi Pujan or the ground laying ceremony, so to speak, of the Ram temple. What would your message be to the Muslim parties at this point?
See, I don't know anyone except chairman of the Sunni Waqf Board who is perhaps invited or who may go. I don't know any other party.
Is there any message that you would like to give to the Muslim parties at this time? When the temple is construction is just about to get started, and of course the land for the masjid has been given and accepted by the Sunni Waqf board.
You see, that I've already said. That is not at all any offer. It is in violation of Supreme Court judgment. Therefore, it is no offer. And therefore, about that, I have nothing more to say. So far as participation in the program is concerned, I have already said that I have no touch with the chairman of the Sunni Waqf Board after the judgment of Supreme Court. Same
Right.
is the position of Iqbal Ansari. He had not agreed for filing a review, so I have no touch with him also. Therefore, if they
Okay.
both are participating, it is their choice. I can say nothing.
All. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.